Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Gautami from Freshers Camp. Hope you all are doing great. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do so and hit the bell button to get the latest updates. Today, I am going to talk about free course on machine learning. This is going to be a premium course. Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms to improve automatically through experience. It is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. It is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. This premium course is a complete guide for beginners to master Python programming fundamentals and harness the power of machine learning to solve real-world practical applications in finance. Talking about prior requirements, there is no prior requirement as such, and this is going to be an online course and you're going to get certified for the same. Now here are some of the things that you are going to learn in this course. Master Python 3 programming fundamentals for data science and machine learning with focus on finance. Understand how to leverage the power of Python to apply key financial concepts such as calculating daily portfolio returns, risk, and Sharpe ratio. Also, understand the theory and intuition behind capital asset pricing model, Markov portfolio optimization, and efficient frontier. Apply Python to implement several trading strategies such as momentum-based and moving average trading strategies. Understand how to use Jupyter notebooks for developing, presenting, and sharing data science projects. Learn how to use key Python libraries such as NumPy or scientific computing, Pandas for data analysis, Matplotlib for data plotting, visualization, and Seaborn for statistical plots. Now, who can enroll for this course? Any financial analyst who wants to harness the power of data science and AI to optimize business process, maximize revenue, reduce costs. All the Python programmer beginners and data scientists wanting to gain a fundamental understanding of Python and data science application in finance or banking sectors. Investment bankers and financial analysts wanting to advance their careers, build their data science portfolio, and gain real-world practical experience. There is no prior experience required. Even if you have never used Python or any programming language before, don't worry. You will have a clear video explanation for each of the topics you will be covering. They will start from the basics and gradually build up your knowledge. And what does this course include? This course includes 23 hours of on-demand videos, 17 articles, 15 downloadable resources. The students or the candidates will get a full-time access to this course. Also, the candidate will be able to access the same on their mobile as well as their smart TV, and a certificate will be provided on completion of the course. And how are you going to enroll for this course? Sign up a login at udemy.com. Then check out the article that I have linked in the description box below and you will get a coupon code there. Apply that coupon code and get your course. That's all for today. Hope you liked our video. If you do so, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please do follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The handles of both are provided in the description box below. And do not forget to check out the article that I have linked in the description box below for more information. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.